What if I told you that the very thing most people use to go into debt could actually make you rich? Credit cards aren't just tools for spending, they're secret weapons for making money. But only if you know how to use them right. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your credit cards into money-making machines. From cashback to travel hacking to leveraging 0% APR offers, you'll discover how the wealthy use credit cards not as a burden, but as an advantage. Stick with me till the end, because you won't want to miss this. 1. Understanding the power of credit cards. Most people think of credit cards as a way to buy things they can't afford, but that's a losing game. Instead, credit cards can be used strategically to generate income, boost your financial leverage, and even earn free travel. When used correctly, they can act as financial tools that put money back in your pocket instead of draining it. Think of it this way: credit cards allow you to access capital without immediately spending your own cash. That means you can invest, earn rewards, and optimize your spending to build wealth. But the trick is in knowing how to play the game smartly. Let's break down the exact ways you can do that. 2. Cashback and rewards optimization. Imagine getting paid every time you make a purchase. That's exactly what cashback credit cards do. Instead of spending money and getting nothing in return, cashback cards give you a percentage of your money back, anywhere from 1% to 5%, or even more on special categories. The key to maximizing cashback is strategic spending. Assign different cards for different purposes. For example, use one card that gives 5% cash back on groceries, another for dining, and another for gas. Over time, these small amounts add up, essentially turning your everyday spending into a passive income stream. Some cards even offer rotating bonus categories, where specific spending categories earn extra cash back for a limited time. If you align your purchases with these categories, you can maximize your earnings without changing your lifestyle. 3. Leveraging sign-up bonuses. Credit card companies offer massive incentives to attract new customers. Sign-up bonuses that can be worth hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars. But most people either don't take advantage of them or don't know how to optimize their use. To maximize sign-up bonuses, apply for cards with lucrative welcome offers and meet the minimum spending requirements strategically. If a card offers a $500 bonus after spending $3,000 in 3 months, plan your necessary expenses like bills, rent, or even prepaid services to hit that spending requirement without unnecessary purchases. Stacking multiple sign-up bonuses over time can easily earn you thousands of dollars in free money. The trick? Only apply for cards you can handle responsibly, and always pay your balance in full to avoid interest charges. 4. Travel hacking with credit cards. Ever wondered how some people fly first class for free? It's not luck, it's credit card points. Travel hacking is the art of using credit card rewards to cover flights, hotels, and experiences without paying out of pocket. Many credit cards offer travel points that can be redeemed for flights and accommodations. But the real trick is transferring these points to airline and hotel loyalty programs, where they can be worth double or even triple their cash value. Some travel credit cards even offer perks like free airport lounge access, hotel upgrades, and travel insurance just for being a cardholder. The key here is to accumulate points strategically and redeem them for the highest value possible. That's how people turn credit card rewards into luxury vacations for free. 5. Using 0% APR offers to your advantage. What if you could borrow money for free? Many credit cards offer 0% APR for an introductory period, sometimes up to 18 months. If used wisely, this can be a powerful tool for making money. For example, if you have an upcoming large expense, you can use a 0% APR card to finance it without paying interest, allowing you to keep your cash liquid for investments. Another strategy is balance transfers, moving high-interest debt to a 0% APR card to reduce financial strain while paying off debt faster. However, discipline is crucial. If you don't pay off the balance before the promotional period ends, high interest rates will kick in, negating the benefits. Use this strategy only if you can stick to a repayment plan. 6. Reselling and manufactured spending. Some people make thousands of dollars a year through a technique called manufactured spending, essentially cycling money through credit cards to earn rewards without actually spending. One method is to purchase gift cards or reloadable prepaid cards with a rewards credit card and then use those funds to pay bills or deposit back into a bank account. Some also buy products on sale with their credit cards and resell them at a higher price, pocketing the profit while earning cash back or points in the process. While this requires careful execution to avoid red flags from banks, it's a legitimate way to leverage credit card perks for extra income. 7. Building credit for bigger financial opportunities. A strong credit score isn't just about lower interest rates, it's a key to bigger financial opportunities. The higher your credit score, the better loan terms you qualify for, including mortgages, business loans, and even investment opportunities. By using credit cards responsibly, keeping utilization low, making payments on time, and avoiding unnecessary debt, you build a financial profile that opens doors. A high credit score can be the difference between paying thousands in interest and securing a low-rate loan to invest in real estate or start a business. 8. Credit card arbitrage. What if you could borrow money at 0% interest and invest it for a higher return? That's credit card arbitrage. Some investors use 0% APR offers or low-interest balance transfer promotions to borrow money at minimal cost, then invest it in assets like stocks, high-yield savings accounts, or even real estate. The idea is to generate returns that exceed the cost of borrowing, effectively profiting from the credit card company's money. This is an advanced strategy that requires careful risk management, but when executed properly, it can be a highly lucrative way to leverage credit. 9. Avoiding pitfalls and maximizing gains. While credit cards offer immense opportunities, mismanagement can turn them into financial traps. Avoid carrying high-interest debt, missing payments, or overspending just to chase rewards. Always remember, the goal isn't to spend more, but to make smarter financial moves using credit to your advantage. Every financial tool has two sides. It can either drain your wealth or build it. Credit cards are no different. The difference between struggling with debt and making money is knowledge and discipline. Every dollar you let slip away in interest is a dollar that could be growing your wealth instead. So the question is, are you using your credit cards, or are they using you? The strategies we covered today have the power to transform the way you think about credit. But don't stop here, there's another game-changing money hack waiting for you. Check out the next video on screen now to learn how the wealthy multiply their income streams effortlessly. See you there.